Hey lads, TechScanning here. So at this point, one of the highly anticipated phones that we are waiting for is the Xiaomi 14 series, which is expected to go official in the few coming weeks. Even different leaks also suggest it will be the first lineup with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is said to be the Android's top performing chipset. However, ahead of its launch date, the popular leakster Onleaks shared some high quality renders of the Xiaomi 14 Pro, suggesting there will be many noticeable changes to see. So starting with the most surprising change, the Xiaomi 14 Pro will feature a flat 2.5D display instead of the curved one on its predecessor, though it will have the same centered punch hole cutout. Interestingly, back in May, one of the reliable tipster Digital Chat Station said there could be two variants of the Xiaomi 14 Pro, one with the flat while the other with a curved display. However, things will get clear soon on this aspect in the coming days. Anyway, as we can see, it has impressively slim and most probably the slimmest bezels on a smartphone. Reportedly, Xiaomi has also altered the display size to 6.6 inches instead of 6.73 inches. Dimension-wise, there are also some changes, and it is now 166.6 by 75.3mm with 8.7mm thickness. In comparison, the Xiaomi 13 Pro was 162.9 by 74.6mm with a slimmer form factor of 8.4mm. On the sides, the handset has a flat frame which most likely made up of metal. Moving to the back of the handset, it has a large square island, even bigger than the last year's model. However, the biggest change here that there will be 4 camera sensors instead of 3. While there aren't many details about the Xiaomi 14 Pro's camera system, however, earlier reports claim that there would be Sony IMX9 series sensor as the main camera, and it will support variable aperture sizes of f1.4 and f4.0. Another surprising part that unlike its predecessor, the Xiaomi 14 Pro does not have Leica branding. Usually Xiaomi's flagship smartphone camera department is assisted by Leica, and it is working pretty impressive for the brand. At the moment, we don't know if it's just the renders or if Xiaomi is really making such changes. So what are your thoughts on the Xiaomi 14 Pro design language? Drop your thoughts below in the comment section. Already a 3C certification confirmed that the Xiaomi 14 Pro will support the same 120W wired fast charging and is expected to offer the same 50W wireless charging as its predecessor. Anyway, more details are likely to appear soon as we are drawing closer to its possible launch event. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.